Made in Mzansi Festival, ladies and gentlemen, in Freedom Park, Pretoria, today, the 28th of September 2024. We've got a big lineup of huge stars from South Africa. So we've got Big Zulu, Mawhoo, we've got Onesimus. So it's going to be happening right here. There's a stage downstairs. If you go this way, you're going to see the stage. So Ozaziwayo is going to be here today to cover that event for you. So ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned to our channel because we're about to speak to some few of those big stars that are going to be performing namhlanje. Sicela ukuthi nihlale nibhekile la ukhasini lethu Ozaziwayo. My name is Zulu. Siyabonga. 28th of September 2024. It's happening right here at Freedom Park. As you can see, Made in Mzansi Musical Festival. We are here to cover the festival. So one of the things that is going to be happening here, we've got a long list of lineups of artists that are going to be performing today. We are here from Ozaziwayo. Sizokava na umcimbi omnandi babukeli bethu esibathandayo. Sicela ukuthi nihlale nathi ningasuke ekhasini lethu. Cheers man. Ladies and gentlemen, Sfigile Skalelegile, as you can see right next to me. She needs no introduction, but wait again. Just for the sake of our viewers, Kopa just introduce officially.
Hey yo, you know what time it is? I go by name of Fifi Cooper. Motoko's one and only hashtag boss lady Wanyana wa Mafikeng.
Bona, get right again. Mafikeng is in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just seen her performing right now. Let's just go straight into it. How did you feel about your performance? That was nice. How did you feel about it?
I felt great. You know, I feel like a lot of people haven't been seeing me perform a lot. So it was, you know, absolutely amazing for me to be here today and share the experience with everyone. You know, Remo Freedom Park, Remo Pitori, everybody is enjoying their day. So it was absolutely incredible for me to also, you know, have that type of, you know, content really fair, never fair to like. It was so beautiful.
Sure. So I wonder, what are you guys eating go Mafikeng? Because everybody who's coming from Mafikeng is always giving us something nice and something very special. But I just want to quickly talk about this event that's currently happening here. Obviously, if your name is in this lineup, that means you pick. How do you feel about being part of this Made in Mzansi music festival?
I feel super blessed and I feel honored that, you know, they also gave me an opportunity to be here today. I appreciate the support because, you know what, as a female rapper in a male-dominated industry, like, we hardly get opportunities. So it's nice to also, you know, feel like you are being recognized and you're also being given an opportunity, you know, to showcase your talent even more. And I appreciate, you know, the festival for inviting me here. Santam, shout out everybody who came out to support me as well. Fifi Nation, always supporting me. I appreciate it. It was super beautiful, honestly.
Oh, cheers, man. So, you know what, like I said, because we all know she's from Mafikeng, but this one give hore ayetsa Zulu. And then next time check when is it happening again? And then when is it happening for you again after this one?
Busy Brian Ksasa. I'll be with is not Zulu. Okay, busy Ksasa. Joburg Theaters, Java, MT, the whole crew will be out there supporting Java, obviously, and Vele, social media, you know, pages, Ozontola, Facebook, Instagram, you know, TikTok, Instagram, KE_Fifi Cooper San, Twitter, Fifi Cooper Fans, Facebook, Fifi Cooper San, Ozontola da.
Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't get any better than that. Ufigile, upagati, ufifi Cooper, siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho Fifi. We're looking forward to seeing you in our next coming gigs.
Oh, namnyabong. I love you guys.
So my name is Jessica Tamara, aka Greatness Over Any Territory, and I am from Tembisa 1632, and I am a rapper, an upcoming artist. Watch out for me, watch out for me, watch out for me. Yay!
Auza, she's one of our own, ladies and gentlemen, in Ghana, as you could hear from her. So I just want to try and understand from your side, because you are also in the lineup with such big stars. How does it feel to be performing in such a prestigious event as Made in Mzansi Festival?
Okay, so I'm very excited. It's a dream come true for me, and I get to represent where I come from, back in my hood. I know they're watching, and also it's a good experience. And also, I'm very happy that we are also celebrating democracy, made in Mzansi Festival. And yeah, I'm very excited. It's exciting, and it's thrilling. Yes.
Oh, Chesa man. So for people who are still who will be interested to continue following you wherever you are going, do you have any upcoming gigs that you like people to know about?
Okay, so currently you can follow me on Instagram. I am Jessica Tamara. On Facebook, I am Jessica Tamara everywhere. On Twitter, sorry for that. Woo! Sam Slung. On YouTube, you can also stream my song Estratini. Yeah. So yeah, I'm everywhere. You can just follow me and I'll follow you back. I don't know. Yeah, I will.
Chess, I know we'll definitely find you and because we're gonna follow you, Jessica, on all your social media handles. And ladies and gentlemen, as you could hear, please follow her on all her social media handles so that you can be updated as to where she's gonna be performing next. Because if you see her today here, then that means she's definitely worth following wherever she goes. Because today we only have got the best of the best from to come from South Africa. Yeah. So thank you so much, Jessica, for your time and looking forward to your performance.
Thank you so much, Budwami. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyathanda nonke emakhaya.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've got our beautiful MC right next to me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just give her the opportunity to introduce herself to our beautiful viewers from Ozaziwayo.
Hello everybody, my name is Unoktula Kinangwanaga Monaheng, and I am the Made in Mzansi Festival spokesperson / ambassador / MC for today. I think that sums it up.
Wow, nice. So can you just please take us through what is happening here, because we've already seen quite a big number of stars that have performed on the stage. Who else do you think we're still gonna see, or who else should you expect?
Okay, as you have seen, it's been an incredible lineup so far. It's basically a hybrid, a mixture of old school people who have been there, over the years. Remember, by the way, the theme of Made in Mzansi Festival is to basically celebrate the heritage of South Africa and the journey that we've been through over the 30 years of freedom. And so the hashtag is This is Freedom, Made in Mzansi Festival, powered by Santam. So yeah, as I was saying, we're bringing artists from back then who, have come with us in this journey of heritage and freedom, and all the way to the newer people. The last person who performed on stage was actually a very beautiful, sensational musician who has hit after hit after hit. Her name is Mawhoo. I think people are very, very familiar with her. And she shut the house down. Very literally. She was so on fire. She was so hot. She did her thing, and then the rain came down.
Wow.
Yeah.
So Noktula, now obviously, because if you come and host such a big event, there's going to be some few people who are looking out for your services as well. How can they get hold of you?
Okay. In order to get hold of me, you can find me on my LinkedIn. My name is Nogutula Monaheng. You can find me on LinkedIn. You can find me on Instagram. My handle is @Tuli Monaheng. Monaheng with a H. Where else? Facebook. I think my name is Noktula Monaheng on Facebook, but my name all across all the platforms, my name is Noktula Monaheng.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've seen quite a number of Noktulas, but you will never miss this face. Thank you so much for your time, Noktula.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Signing out from Ozaziwayo, it's Temba Zulu, right next to our MC host, Noktula. Chesa man.
Anyone ever broken your heart before? I just want to find out, It's okay. It's a safe space. You can trust it with me. Do we have ladies in the building here? Has any man ever broken your heart in pieces? Have you ever drank wine and sit down like, I hate that storokoroka? Baby, 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 baby. Give your heart to me, never make you cry. Dry your eyes, mama. Tanipa sekutun taji. Sende sakutakata. Dry your eyes, mama. Sende sakuswela timo.
So, my brother Onesimus, can you please take us through the kind of genre that you are singing? Because I could see that the people are loving it out there.
I do Afrobeat and Afro soul. I'm also a singer-songwriter, and I do a touch of amapiano. I've also got a song that I'll be releasing month end of October with Basi. It's a piano song that we did together. So, I'm so much grateful to be here and to have people like you. I've seen your YouTube. You guys are incredible big, and for you guys, I feel like a celebrity right now. These guys are interviewing me.
So, there's something I want us to just quickly talk about. Seeing, especially the Africans coming together, not looking at this person is Zulu, this person is from Malawi, this person is from Nigeria, because in this event I can see that we've got everybody from all over Africa.
All over Africa.
What does that mean to us as Africans?
I love the energy. I love the energy. I see there's no race.
Yeah.
Here, there's no racism going on here.
Yes.
I've seen white people. I've seen people from Guyana. I've seen people from Venda, Toyando.
True.
I've seen people from KZN.
Yes.
People from Eastern Cape. So, to me, I feel the diversity of the culture.
Yes.
To be part and present of Made in Mzansi is such an amazing thing that was happening here.
Beautiful. So now, because we've got some young people that we still need to teach so that we can continue preserving our cultures,
Yes.
what message do you have for such young people who are looking at such a big name, household name like Onesimus?
I could say, if you love Onesimus, I want you to be humble. That's the first thing. The second thing, you need to listen and respect your parents. Work hard at school. Be patient. Everything happens at the time when it's supposed to happen. That's what I say.
Perfect. So now, if people wants to follow Onesimus and to try and understand where is Onesimus gonna be performing going forward, where can they get reach of Onesimus, or how can they try and follow Onesimus?
So people, if they want to follow Onesimus, is Onesimus Music on Twitter, Onesimus Music 1 on TikTok, Onesimus Music on Facebook, and everything else is Onesimus Music.
Chesa, there's this song that's very, very popular on TikTok. Can you please just do it for them so that they can also quickly go and search for that song? Give us the title of that song and just give us a note of that song.
So the song is titled Controller. It goes like, she did do me like a controller.
Cheers.
She did make me lose composure.
Chesa, man.
So I want to lay into chichi confirmation. That's what's up.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, from Ozaziwayo. We've got Onesimus right with us. We're about to sign off, as he's just given us a beautiful performance. And thank you so much for your time, Onesimus. Ozaziwayo.
Uzazi.
Wayo.
Uzazi.
Wayo.
Uzazi.
Wayo.
It's a place to be.
Oh.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Cheers, man. Thank you so much, my good sir. Ladies and gentlemen, she needs no introduction. Right next to me, I'm honored to be standing next to Umam Oriali Dwaba. Ngicela ukuthi usibingelele mama, ubingelele nabababukeli bethu bekhasi lethu Ozaziwayo. Ukanowabulela awuthenyi mama.
No, thank you so much. Greetings to everyone out there. Today it's about him. I'm here to support him because I'm close to the father. So I was at the funeral too. So when they said they are doing a memorial festival and one of the things is to celebrate him, I thought I will just come here for an hour or two just to enjoy myself.
Wow, we are so honored. Mama Gikopa wena, like somebody we always look up to. How do you feel to see Africans coming together for such a big festivities like this one?
In fact, it's amazing that you see so many young stars, talent. We have been here watching the young talent that we have in the country. We have some people that are coming from outside the country, and for me, it's a great opportunity for young people to showcase their talent.
Okay, so Mama, because there's something I love about you, because it looks like you love developing people. We've seen you so much in football. What you've done in football is so amazing. So what advice do you have for young people who are still looking forward to making it out there to achieve their goals?
I'm just saying, if there is an opportunity that has been opened for them, they must be able to take it with their hands, learn, look at the other artists that have been there in the market for so long, and be able to, to empower themselves from that. I mean, our minister is saying he wants to see the upcoming talent. He wants to see young people being supported, because we know the struggle of funding and all that. But this is just an opportunity for them to be able to be seen out there.
Okay, Mama, and we really appreciate you doing this interview with us. Please enjoy yourself. Continue going forward.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't get any better than this. Right next to me, she needs no introduction, but as in, for the sake of our beautiful viewers, let's introduce Ashoye.
Hey guys, my name is Mawhoo, the singer and songwriter. You know me.
Sure. So, Mawhoo, it's just so such a beautiful, energetic performance that you just gave to the beautiful crowd out there. So, today, to you, what does this mean to be part of this big lineup of artists?
I'm actually excited, because if I'm a culture, so I'm really happy. I'm excited. I'm happy to be part of this.
Yeah. So then, especially if you are such a big star, but you still respect our culture sweat.
You have to love yourself. Don't forget the envelope yakho, don't forget the background yakho. That's why you have to always go back. So it's all about that. Yeah.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, njengoba nimbona nje uyaphuthuma, and then imaphi futhi ama events uMawhoo lapha abantu bangagijima bamlandele khona masinyane ukuze baze ngawo.
Okay, right now, Mpumalanga, City lifestyle. I have a lot of gigs today. A lot. I have 4. About 5 is a wonky, and I have 4 as well.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, please keep your eyes glued on our social media handles. That's where you're gonna get all the updates.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Of Shini, South Africa, as you can see right next to me, it looks beautiful and very, very colorful. And there can be only one reason why am I standing right next to so many beautiful women right next to me. But I'm just gonna give them an opportunity to introduce themselves to our beautiful viewers.
Hello everybody, my name is Miss Hillary and today lagumkomba kutina.
Chesaman. So can you please take us through, I could see that you are also one of the biggest artists that are going to be performing tonight right here. So what kind of music are you performing for our beautiful people out there?
We are performing Afro pop, Afro house with a bit of, everything, mara mainly with Shitsonga, so yes.
Shitsonga is in the house. So I just want to understand one thing. So if people want to try and follow the group to understand where else are they performing, even if they want to invite the group to come and perform in their events, how can they get hold of this fabulous looking group?
It's Miss Hillary on all social media pages. I'm Miss Hillary on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. You'll find me there.
Okay, so tonight, what do you have for us in store? Can you just at least or if just the highlights of what's going to be happening?
We have a whole lot of fun in store. I mean, look at us.
Dancing.
Look at us.
Cheers, man. Right. So the most popular song that is currently happening on TikTok that they can go and search right now for the group, which one? Can you please give it to us? Maybe you can just give us a short note of that song.
Mbilu ya mina yitakutaka loko nibona ukari ufam Vahlamala vani vutisa kukasi wai mina ni ala votala.
Cheers, man. Ladies and gentlemen from Ozaziwayo, Nani Nizwele, let's go look for that song and follow on their social media handles. Signing out. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, hence lele na le bona la itse re Setswana sa ka se ikela kwa or Sepedi sa ka ke sona se ikela kwa so ka tsheko I'm gonna get at least a first hand ya khobolela next to me ke kopa gore at introduce a re botse lebitso la gage and then a re chaile le gore ke eng se leng gore se mme ya fa ka tsheko.
Okay. Lebitso la ka ke nna Mamokhethi Dorcas Zulu. All the way from Albertine. Re tle mo to support the Musa. We invited by Lance and Musa's father, Godfrey. So we can see the festival is so nice. Unfortunately, another one we don't know most of the artists, but we can see You know, the industry is still going very far, and we appreciate the support of everybody who is here.
Bona ke sizothi masikhuluma naye sithi mntwana ndaba ezitha sithole isikandaba awukodwa madoda nezwa ngime nomuntu omkhulu kanjani ovela ebukhosini. Okay, so yena ukhona naye ku line up, and then yuphi umculo yena awenzayo lo enze ngaye except for uLansi njengoba naye nivela naye ku Ghetto Raf.
So support Umusa's friend, the guy with the one who's with Mama Ria there. Yes.
Okay.
So we invited by them because nae bagamela abe Nigerian namhlanje to receive our award.
Okay.
But because Musa was a very special friend to him, then he was choose ukubala.
Oh, siyabonga, ladies and gentlemen, njengoba nizwela siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho mama.
Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've got one of our best up and coming artists to come right here from Pretoria as we're transmitting live from Freedom Park. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just give him the opportunity to introduce himself and tell us what kind of genre music do you do, sir?
As far as libizwa ke nna proud all the way from Zganda for Winterfeld to Little Lebotwane. I'm a rapper. I love the Pitori culture and I encapsulate it in my music. That's essentially what I do, telling Pitori stories in the Pitori language.
Bona mfethu ke re wa itse keng jo kopa tsa ba chaile gore if batho ba batlo sala morao so that they can know where you performing get fing the platforms tse leng gore ba go follow mo tsona.
Whichever one that's comfortable for them. Get proud. It's like PRODIII. It's a 7.
Chesa man. So it's so far and go bathong ba leng hore ne ba performa ga tsheko go mofeng o leng hore yane wa feel hore itse keng o ga o shata se le lengwe go share stage le.
I missed PV Cooper. I haven't seen PV Cooper in like 3 years or something. Yeah, I felt weird even like cause I was standing out a little bit as in the audience. So yeah, Fifi Cooper, shout out to Fifi Cooper heavily. I enjoyed him.
All right, sure. Joe, before Ovaya Cooper, just urfe a note so that but batho connect or ba expect the ink. Just give us a line one. Yeah, your music. Chesama.
Line one music.
Yeah, how sure.
Oh, okay. Touchdown, home ground, wash down, Zama like it goes down. Barasa blah blah, Habampona body goes town.